Salut, bonjour. We are getting ready to finish up almost the last bit of vocabulaire. So we've been working with les objets de la classe, and you had the vocabulary that ended with une calculatrice. And now we're going to do the end of it, the vocabulaire supplémentaire. If you ever want a printed copy of this vocab, just ask. If you're an at-home student, hit this print button up here. But so as you know, we are in chapitre 2. Oui, watch. Chapitre 2, 2.1, 2.1. We are still in les objets de la classe. Les objets de la classe, oui. We have done j'ai up here, and we've done all of this. Bureau, ordinateur, un poster, etc., all the way down to une calculatrice. And now it's time to wrap up and do and add the last bit of words. After you add this, you're going to have 47 total vocab words. See? So, as always, we're just going to do a little écouter, répéter of this. So this is our extra vocabulaire, vocabulaire supplémentaire. Oui? So voilà, un CD, it's a CD. Un DVD, it's a DVD. Un lecteur de CD, CD player. Un lecteur de DVD, DVD player. So un lecteur, the player, oui. Un classeur, that is a big fat 3-ring binder. We're not using many of those this year, but you're familiar with those, oui. Une affiche, that's another word for un poster. You'll see both of those used en France. And un bureau is a teacher's desk. This is un pupitre. Very similar to the Spanish word. Oui? Un pupitre. That's the student desk. That's the attached desks that you have. You don't find these in schools anymore. Un morceau de craie. A piece is a morceau, like a morsel. Un morceau de craie. We already learned this one. Un trombone. Des ciseaux. And that day means they're plural. Scissors. They're always plural for some reason. Un crayon de couleur. We know that's colored pencil. This is an easy one. Un dictionnaire. Oui. And it can even refer to un dictionnaire en ligne. En ligne means online. So un dictionnaire en ligne. Oui. Or dictionnaire digital. Some people say, but. Un taille crayon. Taille crayon. Un crayon gras. Now, you've seen that with Mardi Gras. It's because it's made with like waxy. It's gras. People don't call crayons that. They just call them les couleurs. Passe-moi les couleurs. Oui? And then maybe you're bringing a change of clothes to school for gym. Next year you will be. Un short. Un short. Again, shorts, these are singular because it's one piece of clothing. Un short. And that T is silent. Un short. Here we go. Ensuite. They pronounce it ensuite. Ensuite. Let's see if they do it here.
Un sweatshirt.
They call it un sweatshirt. But it's when they say ensuite, like a sweatshirt. Maybe you're just wearing un t-shirt. Oui. And maybe you don't carry a backpack. Maybe you carry un cartable. Un cartable. Oui. The big clock in the room. Une horloge. Une horloge. Again, that H is silent. Horloge. We know this word, une agrafeuse. And the things that you put in the agrafeuse, une agrafe. That little thing, une agrafe. Ruler, une règle. This is also the word for rules. Les règles de la classe, with class rules. Une règle, une montre, des baskets. This is the general word for, like, we call them tennis shoes. The general word for, like, shoes. Basketball shoes, sneakers, tennis shoes, gym shoes, des baskets. And then if we were talking about going back to school and things we'd be back to school shopping for. La rentrée, the re-enter, la rentrée. Oui? All right, bravo, excellent. Très bien. So you also, when we get into the meat, we're going to start talking about, we're going to go over une and un, masculin and féminin again. We're going to look here. There's some renegades. Why don't you look for the renegades and be ready to tell me what the renegades are for our new vocabulaire? Oui? And then we're going to, and then you're just going to practice with this vocabulaire. You're going to have some vocabulary games, Quizlet deck, of course. And then there's going to be a Google form. We're going to fill in the blank with un or une. Oui? Un or une. So if it says agrafe, oui, if blank agrafe, you're going to come back to your notes and you can split screen, of course. Or if you, like I said, if you ever want a paper copy, Madame will make these for you or you can print them off. And you're going to put in une. Oui, une agrafe. A staple is féminin. Oui, merci beaucoup. We're going to be working on our pronunciation, toujours. Look at this. We have a lot of vocabulary, 47 words of objet de la classe. Oui, and now that we've mastered most of them, we're going to be talking and asking questions. Qu'est-ce que c'est? What is that? C'est une agrafeuse. That's a pencil. Or that's a stapler. Oh my gosh. Oui. What do you have in your classroom? Is there? Est-ce qu'il y a des fenêtres? Do you have windows in your classroom? So we're going to start talking about our ideal classroom. Oui? All right, mesdames et messieurs, bravo et merci, comme toujours. Ciao.